This recipe is my favorite steak recipe of all time. Grilled ribeye steak with herb butter. Ingredients: 2 ribeye steaks, about 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. Preferred steak seasoning, optional. Olive oil, for brushing the steaks. Herb butter. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, finely chopped. Salt, to taste. Freshly ground black pepper, to taste. Instructions. Take the ribeye steaks out of the refrigerator and allow them to come to room temperature, usually around 30-60 minutes, which helps them cook more evenly. In a small bowl, prepare the herb butter by combining the softened butter with chopped parsley, thyme, rosemary, salt, and black pepper. Mix until the herbs are evenly distributed. Set the herb butter aside. Preheat your grill to high heat. Clean the grates and brush them lightly with oil to prevent sticking. Season the ribeye steaks generously on both sides with salt, black pepper, and any preferred steak seasoning, if desired. Drizzle or brush the steaks lightly with olive oil. Place the seasoned ribeye steaks onto the hot grill. Grill the steaks for about 4-5 minutes on the first side for medium rare. For medium or well-done steaks, adjust the cooking time accordingly. Flip the steaks using tongs and cook for an additional 4-5 minutes on the other side, or until the desired level of doneness is reached. You can use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. For medium rare, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. For medium, and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius, for medium well. Once the steaks are done cooking, remove them from the grill and transfer them to a plate or cutting board. Allow the steaks to rest for about 5-10 minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a juicier steak. While the steaks are resting, place a pat of herb butter on top of each steak. The residual heat will melt the butter and infuse the steaks with the herbaceous flavors. Serve the grilled ribeye steaks with herb butter alongside your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your delicious grilled ribeye steaks with herb butter. Adjust seasoning and cooking times based on personal preferences for the perfect steak experience.
Here's a simple baked ziti recipe for you. Ingredients: 1 pound, about 450 grams, ziti pasta. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 pound, about 500 grams, ground beef or Italian sausage. 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 1 can, 15 ounces, tomato sauce. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 cup ricotta cheese. Fresh basil or parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cook the ziti pasta according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions and garlic, sauté until softened. Add ground beef or sausage to the skillet and cook until brown. Drain excess fat if needed. Stir in crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Simmer for about 10-15 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked pasta with the meat sauce, half of the shredded mozzarella, half of the grated Parmesan, and all of the ricotta cheese. Mix well. Transfer the mixture to a greased baking dish. Top with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh basil or parsley if desired. Serve and enjoy your delicious baked ziti. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding vegetables, using different types of cheese, or adjusting the seasonings to suit your taste. Enjoy your meal.
Have you ever wanted to create a recipe that could meet all of your requirements and needs for delicious heartiness and taste satisfaction? Well now, here's a classic recipe for beef stew with carrots and potatoes. Ingredients: 2 pounds, about 900 grams beef stew meat, cut into cubes. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 2-3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 4 cups beef broth. 1 cup red wine, optional. 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 4-5 carrots, peeled and cut into chunks. 4-5 potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions. In a large bowl, season the beef stew meat with salt and black pepper. Sprinkle flour over the meat and toss to coat evenly. Heat olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Working in batches, sear the beef cubes until browned on all sides. Remove the browned beef and set it aside. In the same pot, add chopped onions and garlic. Sauté for a few minutes until the onions are softened and fragrant. Return the seared beef to the pot. Pour in the beef broth and red wine, if using, scraping the bottom of the pot to loosen any browned bits, fond. Add bay leaves and dried thyme. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is tender. Once the beef is tender, add the carrots and potatoes to the pot. Simmer uncovered for an additional 30-40 minutes, or until the vegetables are cooked through and tender. Check the stew for seasoning and adjust with salt and pepper if needed. Remove the bay leaves. Serve the beef stew hot, garnished with chopped fresh parsley if desired. This hearty beef stew with carrots and potatoes is a comforting and satisfying dish, perfect for colder weather. It's a wonderful one-pot meal that can be served on its own or accompanied by crusty bread or a side salad for a complete and delicious meal.
Pancake popcorn apple crunch breakfast popper boppers recipe. Ingredients. For pancake bites. 1. 1 cup pancake mix. 2. 1/2 cup milk. 3. 1 large egg. 4. 1 tablespoon melted butter. 5. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 6. Maple syrup for dipping. For popcorn coating. 1. 4 cups popped popcorn, plain, no butter. 2. 1/2 cup caramel sauce. 3. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, e.g., pecans or almonds. 4. Pinch of salt. For apple crunch topping. 1. 2 apples, diced. 2. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 3. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 4. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Prepare pancake bites. 1. In a bowl, whisk together pancake mix, milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until smooth. 2. Pour the batter into a mini muffin tin, filling each cup about halfway. 3. Bake according to the pancake mix instructions for mini pancakes. Popcorn coating. 1. In a large bowl, mix the popped popcorn with caramel sauce until evenly coated. 2. Add chopped nuts and a pinch of salt, tossing to combine. Prepare apple crunch topping. 1. In a separate bowl, toss diced apples with lemon juice, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon until well coated. Assemble pancake popcorn apple crunch poppers. 1. Allow the mini pancakes to cool slightly. 2. Skewer each pancake with a toothpick. 3. Dip the pancake bites into the popcorn coating, ensuring they are fully covered with the caramel popcorn mixture. Top with apple crunch. 1. Sprinkle the apple crunch topping over the popcorn-coated pancake bites. Serve and enjoy. 1. Arrange the pancake popcorn apple crunch breakfast popper boppers on a serving platter. 2. Serve with a side of maple syrup for dipping. These delightful poppers are a playful and tasty twist on the classic breakfast. The combination of fluffy pancake bites, sweet caramel popcorn, and crunchy apple topping creates a breakfast treat that's both fun and delicious. Enjoy the crunch and burst of flavors with every bite.
Here's a simple recipe for caprese skewers. Ingredients: cherry or grape tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, bocconcini or mozzarella pearls work well, fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze or balsamic reduction, wooden skewers. Instructions: prepare the ingredients, wash the cherry tomatoes and basil leaves. Drain the mozzarella if using mozzarella pearls or bocconcini. Assemble the skewers. Take a wooden skewer and start by threading a cherry tomato onto the skewer, followed by a folded basil leaf, then a piece of fresh mozzarella. Repeat this pattern until the skewer is filled, leaving a little space at the ends for easy handling. Repeat the process until all the ingredients are used or until you've made the desired number of skewers. Arrange the caprese skewers on a serving platter. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. Just before serving, drizzle the assembled skewers with balsamic glaze or balsamic reduction. You can either use store-bought balsamic glaze or make your own reduction by simmering balsamic vinegar on low heat until it thickens slightly. Serve immediately as an appetizer or part of a snack platter. Note, you can adjust the number of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil leaves on each skewer based on personal preference and the number of servings needed. These caprese skewers are not only visually appealing but also delicious, with the combination of sweet tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, fragrant basil, and the tangy sweetness of the balsamic glaze tying it all together.
Deviled
Enjoy.
eggs are a classic and popular appetizer. Here's a straightforward recipe to make delicious deviled eggs. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon white vinegar or lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, paprika, fresh herbs, chives, or bacon bits for garnish, optional. Instructions: boil the eggs, place the eggs in a saucepan and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. Cool and peel. Once cooked, transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water to cool them down quickly. Gently crack the eggshells and peel them under running water for easier peeling. Slice and prepare. Carefully cut the peeled eggs in half lengthwise. Remove the yolks and place them in a separate bowl. Arrange the egg white halves on a serving plate. Make the filling. Mash the egg yolks using a fork until they are crumbly. Add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar or lemon juice, salt, and pepper to the mashed yolks. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Adjust the seasonings to your taste. Fill the eggs, spoon or pipe the yolk mixture evenly into the hollows of the egg white halves. You can use a piping bag or simply a spoon to fill them. Garnish, sprinkle paprika, chopped fresh herbs, chives, bacon bits, or any preferred toppings on top of the deviled eggs for added flavor and presentation. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve chilled. Deviled eggs are versatile, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences. They make a great addition to any appetizer spread or party platter, and their deliciously creamy filling with various flavor options ensures they're always a hit among guests. This recipe is really amazing. Here's a recipe for a delicious barbecue chicken chopped salad. Ingredients: for the barbecue chicken: 1. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. Salt and pepper to taste. 3. 1 cup barbecue sauce, your favorite variety. 4. Olive oil for cooking. For the salad: 1. 6 cups chopped romaine lettuce or mixed greens. 2. 1 cup corn kernels, fresh, canned, or thawed frozen. 3. 1 cup black beans, drained and rinsed. 4. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 5. Half red onion, thinly sliced. 6. 1 avocado, diced. 7. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, optional. 8. Half cup shredded cheddar cheese or Monterey Jack cheese. 9. Tortilla strips or crushed tortilla chips for garnish, optional. For the dressing: 1. 1/4 cup barbecue sauce. 2. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 tablespoons lime juice. 4. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 5. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the barbecue chicken. 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. 2. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat and drizzle with olive oil. 3. Cook the chicken breasts for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 4. Brush both sides of the chicken with barbecue sauce during the last few minutes of cooking, allowing it to aguera. 4. Remove from heat and let it rest for a few minutes. 4. Then, slice or chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Prepare the salad. 1. In a large salad bowl, combine the chopped lettuce or mixed greens with corn, black beans, cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, diced avocado, chopped cilantro, if using, and shredded cheese. Make the dressing. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the barbecue sauce, olive oil, lime juice, honey or maple syrup, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper until well combined. Assemble the salad. 1. Add the sliced barbecue chicken to the salad bowl. 2. Drizzle the barbecue dressing over the salad ingredients. Toss the salad gently to coat everything evenly with the dressing. Serve the barbecue chicken chopped salad in individual bowls or plates, and if desired, garnish with tortilla strips or crushed tortilla chips for added crunch and texture. This barbecue chicken chopped salad is a flavorful and satisfying dish, combining the smoky taste of barbecue chicken with fresh, crisp vegetables and a tangy dressing. It's perfect for a light lunch or a refreshing dinner option on warmer days.